Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a hot minute since I've said that. I think it's been like about 2 to 3 weeks since I've been posting, and the reason for that is because I just had a lot of family things going on and just a lot going on in my life in general. So haven't been posting on social media and YouTube a lot, but hopefully if everything goes well, I'll be able to post more frequently than I was these past 2 to 3 weeks. So another thing that I'm really excited about is that I'm finally going to kind of post more about my life in general. So I do want to do like a home decor video for you guys. I've just revamped my whole living room and bedroom space, and I did that with buying like very affordable products. So I'm very excited to share that with you guys, and a video will be coming up soon. So hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you guys can be notified when my videos come out. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Guys, so I haven't done a video in a long time and I think I'm gonna be kind of weird about it, but let's just get into it. I already went ahead and did my brows and my base. I don't really want to focus on the face makeup just because on Valentine's Day usually people already know their go-to products and the way that they know their skin will look best. So with that being said, we're just gonna focus on the eyes. And yeah, for this tutorial I am going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette just because I want to. So I kind of zoomed in a little bit closer just so you guys can see what I'm doing and all that stuff. So I'm gonna go in straight with the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm just going to lay the color Tempera, and Tempera is this shade right here. So I'm going in with that shade, really buffing that into the skin just to make sure the whole eye area is covered, so when I apply other shades on top, it'll blend really nicely. Before I go in with my transition color, what I like to do is go in with my brow bone highlight. The reason that I like to go in with my brow bone highlight already, I'm just gonna spritz some Fix Plus, and I'm gonna go in with the shade, what is this shade? Vermeer. I'm going more of pink tones with this eye look, so I really want to use like a pink toned based highlight, and I'm just going to put that on my brow bone. And I like to do this first just so I know that everything is blended nicely, because sometimes after you have blended your whole eye look, when you go in with the highlight, it just kind of looks like it's separated. And if I go in with this first after I put my transition shade and all the other eyeshadows, it would just look really nice and blended. So I just like doing this step first. So once you have that down, we're just gonna go into blending. So I'm gonna go in with my Morphe Jaclyn Hill 32 brush, and it's just a fluffy brush. And I'm gonna go in with the shade Raw Sienna, and I'm gonna use that as my transition color. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Burnt Orange. I'm just going to take that on the same fluffy brush and apply that into the crease. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Red Ochre. And I'm going to start applying that on the outer and take it in lightly into the inner corner of my eye. And I'm going to use that same fluffy brush that we've been doing, keeping it pretty easy and simple. So just start lightly, pat it, and then just do little circular motions to blend the eyeshadow shade. They just came in the room. What's up, bro?
Change your video.
Stop! I was already dressed like this. All right, so next I'm gonna go in with, how do you say this word? Venetian? I'm gonna go in with Venetian Red, which is this color right here, y'all. And I'm just gonna take some on that same brush that I've been using, and hopefully it ends up looking kind of good. Doesn't look bad. Should I do like a half cut crease? Just put the pink shimmer on top, like right here? Or should I cut it with concealer and then put the pink shimmer?
Well, then if you cut it, it looks more like
dramatic.
Yeah. Cut it then.
Okay. I guess we're cutting the crease.
Ali is exiting the chat.
Next, I'm gonna go in with the shade Love Letter, which is this one right here. Alright guys, so now that we have this whole insane pink thing going on, I'm gonna go back in with Raw Sienna, and I'm just going to take that, I'm just going to add that to my brush and just make sure that the harsh edges are nice and blended. Alright guys, to cut my crease, I'm going to be using my trusty Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm going to go in with my Jaclyn Hill 42 brush by Morphe Cosmetics. I like this brush because it's tiny and it just makes the perfect little half moon for my half cut crease. So now that you have this, you're gonna go back in with Red Ochre and Venetian Red. Just gonna go boop, boop, boop. And you're going to blend the outer edges into the concealer. Next, with a small shader brush, you're gonna go in with the shade Vermeer, which is this little pink highlighty shade. And you're just going to apply that where the rest of the concealer is. And you can already see how this just takes the whole look to another level. So look, you can leave your eye like this, or if you want to give it a little bit more of a vavoom, you can use a liquid liner. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to draw a small little line right here. Next, with a small little pencil brush, I'm going to go in back with that Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to go in with the shade Cypress Umber just to deepen it up right here and just to kind of blend that in with my black liner. Next, I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay 24/7 Waterline eyeliner, and I'm going to line the top of my waterline. Then I'm going to go ahead and line the bottom of my waterline. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Venetian Red, and I'm going to take that a little bit on my little small fluffy brush, and I'm going to apply that on my lower lash line. Alright guys, so for lashes, I'm going to be using the Ardell Wispies. I wanted to use these because I know that they are affordable and they look really, really nice. So I'm going to go ahead and take these. Really quick before I apply my lashes, I'm going to just apply some Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. why, but just I haven't worn lashes in forever, so right now they're just like that to me. And I have like so many more dramatic lashes. I don't know why these are crazy, but I'm gonna apply some Fix Plus to my brush, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Vermeer and just apply that on my inner tear duct. Alright guys, so that's it for eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face, and I'll be back for the lips. So originally I thought that maybe going with a nude lip after doing this bold eye look would be like the best idea, just because if you go on a date or out with your girls at the club, you might not want to be rechecking your lipstick. But it's Valentine's Day, and I think doing a bold look, like why not? It's once a year, you know, why not do a bold look? So I changed my mind and I decided to go for a bold look, just because I think it would be, you know, more of a statement and just cool. So I'm gonna use the Maybelline Superstay Liquid Lipstick in the shade Lover. This is the perfect shade because it's literally called Lover. So let's just apply that on the lips. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.